Kitchen sponge, a common household cleaning item that we should be all familiar with. But kitchen sponge is very dirty. It contains a large and diverse amount of microhabitats and a high potential to work as a microbial incubator. It is all because of the high rate of microbial cells access the sponge through food and the propitious environmental conditions, which is humidity and nutrient availability, not just act as the reservoir for microorganisms. Kitchen sponges also act as the disseminators, which can lead to the cross-contamination. And even if you clean the sponge every month, there's still the strongest and potentially pathogenic bacteria living inside, according to Marcus Eggert, a microbiologist at the University of Wageningen. Eggert and his team collect and studied DNA and RNA of 14 examples of kitchen sponges to find out that inside the sponge that are cleaned regularly still survive a potentially pathogenic bacteria called Moraxella osluensis. They live on the human skin and sometimes can cause infection for those who have the weak immune systems. Also, the compound produced by their metabolism is which responsible for the bad smell of the sponge. So what should we do with our sponge kitchen? There are some ways to reduce bacterial contamination from it. First, to reduce the amount of bacteria can access, stop using it to clean up things like food debris, fresh meat juice, or vomit. Use a paper towel or tap water instead. Second, have different sponges for different jobs. For example, sponge to do the dishing and sponge for the counter cleaning. Third, wash your hands properly, which is remove all the jewelry and using soapy water for at least 20 seconds before cleaning again with water to avoid cross-contamination. Fourth, use one of the most effective sponge cleaning methods, which is microwaving after each use. Last but not least, some of the strongest bacteria can survive through the drying and microwaving process. So throw away the sponge when they smell bad or difficult to clean because those are the signs the bacteria may live there.